Okay, so really quick, you guys, I'm coming back. These are done, and I thought they were going to be dried out. I cheated before I came on camera, and I cut it down the middle right here, and I tasted a piece of the end right here. Oh my God, you guys, this is the most tenderest, juicy pork chop that I've had in a long time. We bought filet mignons at Christmas, and my husband wanted to do it in the air fryer, and I told him no because I didn't want them ruined, because of course it's an expensive cut of beef, so didn't want them ruined. But man, if they taste like this is amazing. They taste so good. My husband doesn't even know yet, so I'm sneaking this video in. Really, really good. Rookie mistake I made. I did not spray the basket. Spray your basket before you put anything in there, because I don't know if mine's permanently stained now or what, but the paprika dripped onto the basket, so I'm gonna have to clean that out. Yeah, these are amazing. I mean, look at that. They are so juicy, you guys. I don't even need the gravy at all. I mean, these are amazing. Super, super amazing. For a first time trying in the air fryer, I'm really happy with this. Okay, gonna go eat dinner. Thanks for watching, you guys. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Lots of good things coming up. Thanks for watching. Bye.